Here is an extended and polished version of the JetLev Flyer script, revised to be over 200 words and more than 1 minute long. The JetLev Flyer is an incredible water-propelled jetpack that allows riders to soar high above the surface of a lake or ocean, offering an experience that feels straight out of a science fiction film. But this isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a fully functional, real-world machine that anyone can learn to fly with a bit of practice. The system works by using a powerful water pump mounted on a separate floating platform. This pump draws in water from the surrounding body and sends it through a long, flexible hose connected to the rider's jetpack. From there, the water is forced out through two downward-facing nozzles located on the rider's back. The resulting thrust lifts the rider into the air, allowing for graceful hovering, smooth turns, and even exciting mid-air maneuvers. The JetLev Flyer can reach impressive speeds of up to 44 miles per hour or around 70 kilometers per hour, and provides a flight time of up to 30 minutes per session, depending on the fuel tank size and usage. Controlling it is surprisingly intuitive. Pilots use a joystick for steering and a throttle to adjust the power. Within just a few minutes of hands-on experience, most users find themselves comfortably flying over the water. It's a thrilling combination of engineering and entertainment, offering a unique perspective of the world from above the waves and an unforgettable adventure for anyone craving the feeling of flight. Here is the extended and refined version of the Electrojet Narky script, written to exceed 200 words and more than 1 minute of narration with a smooth and modern tone. The Electrojet Narky, officially known as the Narky GT95, holds the distinction of being the world's first commercially available electric-powered jet ski. A bold step forward in the evolution of personal watercraft. Manufactured by NARC, a forward-thinking company based in New Zealand, this innovative vehicle blends high-performance, eco-conscious technology and sleek design into a premium aquatic experience. At the heart of the GT95 is a powerful electric motor backed by a high-capacity 24 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Together, they deliver an impressive 95 horsepower, propelling the jet ski to speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. On a full charge, it offers a respectable range of about 31 miles, making it perfect for short to medium recreational trips on lakes, rivers, or coastal waters. Designed to seat up to 3 people comfortably, the Narky GT95 features a lightweight yet durable hull made from carbon fiber reinforced materials, ensuring both stability and smooth handling on the water. Inside the cockpit, riders are greeted with a 7-inch customizable digital display that provides real-time stats such as battery charge, mileage, distance from port, and even offers the ability to receive phone calls while out on the water. Charging the GT95 is also highly flexible. It supports fast charging in just 1.5 hours with the proper setup, or can be charged using a standard household socket in about 6 hours. Quiet, clean, and technologically advanced, the Electrojet Narky is not just a watercraft, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable, high-performance marine recreation.
Wärtsilä, through its Voyage division, is at the forefront of redefining the maritime industry by building a smarter, greener future for global shipping. As part of this vision, the company is developing a comprehensive digital ecosystem that integrates intelligent technologies across commercial vessels, ensuring they operate more safely, efficiently, and sustainably. These advancements are not merely about adopting new tools, but about transforming the entire shipping process into a connected, responsive network where data-driven decisions guide every journey across the sea. The initiative aligns perfectly with the goals of World Maritime Day, especially as this year's focus turns toward leveraging new technologies for environmentally responsible shipping. Wärtsilä recognizes that with the International Maritime Organization's upcoming Energy Efficiency Existing Ship Index, EEXI, and Carbon Intensity Indicator, SI regulations, there is a renewed urgency across the industry to modernize operations. Ship owners, managers, and operators are now prioritizing solutions that not only ensure compliance with evolving standards, but also contribute to long-term sustainability goals. By adopting Wärtsilä's smart navigation, propulsion, and automation systems, maritime players can reduce emissions, optimize fuel consumption, and elevate safety standards. This green transition, once considered a distant objective, is now a central challenge and opportunity, and Wärtsilä's intelligent shipping technologies are proving to be the key enabler in driving this industry-wide transformation forward.
Here's an expanded and refined version of the Ocean Wing script, crafted to exceed 200 words and last more than 1 minute while keeping the tone engaging and futuristic. The Aqualung Ocean Wings is a visionary concept wetsuit that aims to transform the way we experience underwater exploration. Designed by French innovator Guillaume Baynard in collaboration with Aqualung, this experimental suit was created to simulate the sensation of flying beneath the waves, offering a dynamic and graceful alternative to traditional diving gear. What makes the Ocean Wings concept so unique is its wing-like structure. The suit features extended neoprene membranes that stretch between the arms and legs, much like the wings of a manta ray. These flexible membranes are designed to catch and channel the flow of water, allowing the diver to glide effortlessly with minimal resistance. The result is a smooth, soaring sensation that mimics the experience of flight, only underwater. Though the Ocean Wing suit never moved beyond the concept phase and was never intended for commercial release, it offers a compelling glimpse into what the future of diving might look like. With the rapid pace of innovation in materials and underwater mobility, concepts like this may very well become reality in the years ahead. While there's no price tag or production model available, the Ocean Wings concept continues to inspire designers and underwater enthusiasts alike, sparking imaginations with the possibility of truly flying beneath the surface of the sea. Here is the extended and enhanced version of the AC-75 script, revised to be over 200 words and more than 1 minute in length. The AC-75, short for America's Cup 75, is a revolutionary racing yacht that has completely transformed the world of competitive sailing. Originally introduced for the 2021 America's Cup, these futuristic vessels represent the cutting edge of naval engineering and are poised to continue dominating the prestigious event in its upcoming 37th and 38th editions. Measuring 75 feet in length, the AC-75 is unlike any traditional racing sailboat. Rather than relying on a conventional keel for stability, it features wing-like hydrofoils, high-tech appendages that lift the entire hull out of the water as the boat gains speed. This innovative design allows the yacht to fly just above the surface, drastically reducing drag and enabling astonishing speeds well beyond what most would expect from a sailing vessel. Another standout innovation is its soft wing sail, a sail system that acts much like an airplane wing, providing enhanced control and responsiveness even under extreme racing conditions. With a professional crew of 11 members and space for an additional guest, the AC-75 is both a technical marvel and a testament to elite teamwork. To master this complex yacht, the crew must work in perfect coordination, adjusting controls in real time to maintain balance, optimize speed, and outmaneuver competitors. The AC-75 isn't just fast, it's one of the most dynamic and demanding sailboats ever created, making every race a spectacular display of skill, strategy, and cutting-edge technology. Here is the extended and polished version of the Jet Shark script, now over 200 words and more than 1 minute in length, with a fluid and captivating tone. The Jet Shark is a stunning example of cutting-edge marine innovation, a watercraft that merges the speed, agility, and sleek power of a jet with the bold, aggressive aesthetics of a shark. Designed for thrill seekers and adrenaline junkies, this high-performance vessel offers a one-of-a-kind aquatic experience that blurs the line between extreme sports and high-end engineering. Inspired by the streamlined body of a shark, the Jet Shark features a hydrodynamic design that slices through water with minimal drag. It's equipped with a powerful engine capable of delivering bursts of intense speed and rapid maneuverability, mimicking the fast, fluid motion of its namesake Predator. Whether you're racing across the surface or diving just beneath the waves, this craft delivers a sensation that feels as close to underwater flight as you can get. The Jet Shark can accommodate a pilot along with up to 3 passengers, making it a shared adventure unlike any other. Inside, passengers enjoy a secure and comfortable environment while still experiencing the thrill of high-speed aquatic motion. Depending on the configuration and selected features, the Jet Shark is expected to be priced between $200,000 and $300,000, a reflection of its advanced technology and bespoke craftsmanship. It's more than just a watercraft. It's a statement of power, freedom, and fearless exploration on the open sea. Here is the extended and refined version of the Awake Revic S22 script template. Now over 200 words and more than 1 minute in length, with an exciting and polished tone. The Awake Revic S22 is a state-of-the-art electric surfboard designed for riders who crave speed, precision, and high-performance water thrills. This cutting-edge board redefines what's possible in the world of electric water sports, pushing boundaries with both its sleek engineering and raw power. Built for agility and responsiveness, the Revic S22 can launch from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour, about 31 miles per hour, in under 4 seconds, delivering an intense, adrenaline-filled ride that rivals the thrill of extreme motorsports. At the heart of this performance is a high-torque electric motor paired with a sophisticated jet propulsion system, enabling smooth acceleration and powerful thrust across flat water or through choppy waves. The board features an advanced hull design with sharp water release edges and an aggressive rocker profile, giving riders precise control and enhanced stability even at high speeds. Whether carving tight turns, flying across open water, or catching air during jumps, the S22 responds with sharp, razor-like accuracy. Its innovative linear jet system ensures consistent grip in various water conditions, providing riders with confidence to push limits and perform with style. Durable yet lightweight, and built for professionals and thrill-seekers alike, the Revic S22 is a symbol of next-generation surfing technology. Priced around $20,000, this premium electric surfboard delivers a premium experience, combining raw power, cutting-edge design, and unmatched aquatic freedom. Here is the fully extended and refined version of the CUDA Jet script, now over 200 words and designed for over 1 minute of narration, with an energetic and immersive tone. The CUDA Jet is the world's first commercially available underwater jetpack, offering a completely new and exhilarating way to explore beneath the surface. Imagine gliding through the water with the freedom and agility of a dolphin. This innovative jetpack makes that dream a reality. It's designed to let users fly underwater, combining adventure, freedom, and technology into one powerful aquatic experience. The CUDA Jet is controlled using a simple handheld trigger, giving you complete command over your movement and speed. It can reach impressive underwater velocities of up to 3 meters per second, or about 10 feet per second, and is rated for depths of up to 40 meters, around 131 feet, making it suitable for both casual recreation and deeper exploration. Despite its power, the CUDA Jet is user-friendly. The unit straps securely onto the torso using a padded neoprene harness, ensuring comfort and safety during every dive. The controller not only adjusts speed, but also provides real-time monitoring of battery levels. Speaking of power, the onboard battery delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to cruise, dive, and explore. With prices starting around $14,700, the CUDA Jet is a premium device built for thrill seekers, professional divers, and underwater enthusiasts alike. It's more than just a gadget, it's an entirely new way to experience the ocean. The Zapata S-Fly is not your typical flying machine. It strips back the concept of personal flight to its most visceral and liberating form. Designed by Frankie Zapata, the same aviation pioneer responsible for the Flyboard Air, the S-Fly redefines what it means to fly by removing the traditional cockpit, harness, or even seat. Instead, pilots simply stand upright on a platform equipped with turbojet engines and let the technology take over. It's essentially a jet-powered flying Segway, relying on intelligent onboard stabilization systems to keep the rider balanced and secure while in motion. Vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, VTOL, allow the ESFly to lift off effortlessly from a flat surface, a rooftop, or even water, giving it a unique edge in mobility and convenience. Controlled by intuitive hand grips and subtle shifts in body weight, the experience is more akin to surfing the sky than piloting a traditional aircraft. Riders can reach speeds rumored to exceed 80 miles per hour, with nothing but the wind and open skies surrounding them. It's the closest humans have come to feeling like superheroes, soaring upright with minimal gear, no cockpit, and full visibility in every direction. The Zapata ESFly isn't just a prototype of personal aviation, it's a thrilling glimpse into the future of individual airborne travel, offering raw, unfiltered freedom that has to be seen to be believed.